Willkommen zurück zum Liebherr Bauma.
Welcome back to the Liebherr Bauma video magazine, day 2, and let's get straight to it. Today, it's all about the tallest exhibit on the booth, but also one that can make itself extra small. And we are talking about a very special award. Liebherr Group was honored with the Innovation Award 2025, a strong sign of the future viability of the group's technologies. But first, let's take a look at digitalization. Because the future of the construction industry is digital. But what does that mean in concrete terms? How does Liebherr network its machines with each other, and how does this drive autonomy? That's exactly what I'm talking about with Marcel Flir, Head of Digital Business and Strategy. Assistant systems, automation, and autonomy are all based on digitalization. What innovations in this area is Liebherr presenting here at Bauma? We are delighted to be presenting a super wide range of digital solutions and assistant systems here at the exhibition. We increasingly see ourselves as a solution provider that supports our customers and partners with measurable, added value, from planning to execution on the construction site or even operator training. And what role does Liebherr Connect play in this? The fundamental basis for digitalization is, of course, data quality assured information. Liebherr Connect provides the foundation for networking machines with each other, integrating processes, and actively integrating into the ecosystem and thus creating added value for everyone involved on the construction site. From smart technology to a really clever machine. The 31XXT truck-mounted concrete pump with lead drive-in function brings a lot of flexibility to the construction site. We visited the company Frischbeton Lohne and took a look at how it works on site. My name is Oliver Melman. I am the managing director of the company Frischbeton in Lohne from the beautiful Oldenburger Münsterland. We are a small, medium-sized company with 25 employees. We use a concrete mixing plant and various vehicles from Liebherr. We also opted for 2 Liebherr concrete pumps, the 31XXT and the 42XXT, which offer various advantages. We often have to solve a wide variety of tasks on the construction sites and have therefore opted for a 31XXT, as it is a great addition to our 42XXT. This concrete pump can be used very flexibly on our construction sites. We have a flexible outrigger so that we can transport the concrete on site, even on tight construction sites.
The
31XXT also has a lead drive-in function, which enables the mast to be tilted over the cab and then driven into a hall. We have known Liebherr for 55 years and have always been impressed by their products, as they are very flexible and can be produced to our customers' specifications. Now it's getting interactive. I'm testing the crane configurator, so it's hands-on for me again. I put together my perfect crane for my construction site. Max Widder will help me with this.
Hallo Max, grüß dich.
Hello Max.
Max,
what can the crane configurator do for me, and how can it support me in my work on the construction site? You start with the smart configurator, which you simply click on. For example, you can go directly to the selection here and filter the crane directly using simple values.
Okay,
so that means it's already pre-configured so far. I'm going on top of my crane now. Okay, there it is. Right here in this dashboard you can see all the relevant edge details and also a preview of the 3D model. And let's take a closer look at that. Okay, Max, perfect. So this is my personalized crane tailored to my needs. What happens next? Now the work comes to you. You start here with the download of the IFC file. You can integrate it directly into your planning tool and use it to start planning your construction project. Perfect. This is what hands-on the future looks like at Liebherr. With the LG 1800, we have created a worthy successor to our LG 1750. LG stands for Liebherr Lattice Boom Mobile Crane. Here we have combined the load-bearing advantages of a lattice boom crane with the flexibility of a mobile crane. The LG 1800 has a maximum lifting capacity of 800 tons and is the strongest crane of its type. The crane's main area of application is in wind power. Nolte has already worked with the first LG 1800 1.0 on a construction site. Nolte bought the first LG 1750 20 years ago. The crane has maximum flexibility due to the mobile undercarriage, can be driven to the construction site quickly, and can be assembled relatively quickly due to the small number of components. If we take a closer look at the derrick ballast concept, we realize that we have a two-part suspended ballast pallet, the so-called vario tray, which, in conjunction with the foldable suspended ballast guide, the so-called V-frame, offers enormous advantages for the crane operator. With the adjustable suspended ballast guide, it is possible to adjust the ballast radius from 15 meters to a maximum of 24 meters. Behind us we see the new RE25M, our new two-way excavator of the 8th generation. RE for rail excavator, 25 for the approximate operating weight of 25 tons, and M for the mobile undercarriage. On the one hand, it drives normally on the road or off-road and also on rails. We even have the special feature here, with this undercarriage, that we can drive both with the tires on the rail, as was previously known, and also drive hydrostatically lifted. We combine two drive concepts here. In addition, there is a completely new oscillation system, which we have also registered for a patent in cooperation with the rail undercarriage. We also have a completely new support, which is located in the center of the undercarriage. A patent application has also been filed for this. We have a tail swing radius of just 1.57 meters, which opens up completely new markets that we were previously unable to serve. These are the regulations that we have to fulfill, and this machine now enables us to do so. And the last is this new cabin with Intusi, which takes the machine to a whole new level. Big machines, major innovations, and now also great honor. Just one day before the start of Bauma, Liebherr received the prestigious Bauma Innovation Award in the digitalization category. The star, the autonomous wheel loader standing right behind me. A milestone for the future of construction and a powerful testament to Liebherr's innovative strength. The anticipation was, of course, reaching a fever pitch, and the joy, equally as powerful.
And the winner is Liebherr.
This is of course a cool confirmation that all the effort was worth it. We are now really moving away from what was originally a research project and into preparations for series development. There is now corresponding attention on this matter. Of course, this is also an important advertising tool for us. We also want to go into the customer projects, into the discussions. We have spent the last few weeks training all our sales staff and dealers, and we now want to get started on customer projects. This is the perfect start. The first challenge internally was to convince enough people that something like this is possible with the current state of technology, or in the near future, from the mechanical engineering company into such a digitalization award, but we managed to do that. In the beginning, we also had some funding to support the whole thing, and so the whole thing has evolved. That was day 2 at Bauma, but tomorrow we'll continue with even more high-tech and spectacular machines. I am restocking our Bauma magazines for tomorrow's visitors. Feel free to take one with you if you are at the exhibition, or read the articles online on the Liebherr website. See you then.